Alright, welcome back to another Strivemont video. Today we're going to be talking about PayPal and if this is finally the bottom of our pain, our suffrage, or the continuation of it going down even more. That being said, I want to talk about why I think we're going to be seeing a good reversal within the next couple of days. So looking at the 4-hour chart, we're going to outline where we see current rejection, and that's on these line over here. So the reason why I picked this resistant line is because we got rejected the first time over here. That was obviously by the SMA line. The second time over here, and then multiple times within the last couple of days, we've been seeing consistent rejection on that line, which is why I call it the resistant line. Now that we outlined that, we're going to go into the 30-minute chart and draw out the Fibonacci Retracement. And that is because we had a high recently of 197.84 where we thought we were going to see a good reversal at that point. But, we ended up downwards. And that is because of tomorrow, which is the Fed meeting, where everybody is anticipating whether or not we're going to get higher interest rates, policies are going to change. It's very big news. So let's outline it from 178.67 to 197.84. We have the FIB tool. Why do we use this? Because when a stock rallies upwards, we want to see where the retracement is before it can continue going higher. And it looks like we bounced off of that 78.6 where we saw today with very nice volume. We shot back upwards. I really love this candlestick. It's very bullish in my opinion. And overall on today, we had lots of strength, although we did pull back from the resistance. And that, like I said, is most likely because of this Fed meeting tomorrow. We did see a good bounce upwards again. So it's a very nice setup in my opinion going into tomorrow. And one thing I do want to talk about is be careful for gaps, right? Last week we gapped upwards. Lots of stocks did. They had very nice rallies. But when it comes to gaps, just ask your mom. They like being filled. And as you guys can see, it did ended up getting filled. And now, we did see a reversal today. And going by tomorrow, I do think we're going to finally get clarity on the market, on inflation, and where overall it's going to be heading towards. Okay? So, what's my game plan? I'm not buying weeklies. Don't want to take that risk. I'm going to be going about a month out. I'm probably going for around 190 calls. That's my plan. But I'm not going to make this move until we have a close above 190. And I want to see how this meeting goes tomorrow. If it's what I like to hear, I'm going to make this move. If it's bad news, then this could continue to go downwards or even consolidate more before having any type of bounce upwards again. That being said, that's my take on PayPal. I do think, based off of today's price action, the stock really wants to shoot up again and retest this high of 197.84. And even looking at the 1 hour, this might be a stretch, but this could be considered a cup and handle. As you guys can see, we have the cup formation followed by the handle. And it might, break out of this trend over here, which I'm looking for a break over 190 and then that test to 197. And as you guys can see, we had multiple bounces around this level over here. So I do think overall this stock is ready, but it all depends on tomorrow, what the news is, and that's what we're looking for right now. That being said, if you found value in this type of video, hit the like, hit the sub, and I'm out.